Hi everyone, Carrie Severson here. I'm a storyteller coach. I work with women around the world who have a desire to share stories and don't necessarily know how to do that, where to start, or what format to put their story in. So in my group this week, in the Unapologetic Voice, we've been talking a lot about book writing and book proposals. I recently turned down a book deal that didn't feel in alignment with my dreams and my end goal for my book. And it started me thinking about how important the book proposal process is. Regardless of whether you self-publish or pitch your book to a publisher, small to mid-size, the book proposal is a phenomenal exercise to do because it forces you to think about your audience throughout the entire experience. It forces you to think about your competitive review, the marketplace, and why your book is going to be different than every other book out there on your topic. And it really forces you to put a marketing plan in place from the beginning. So starting Monday, November 26th, for 2 weeks, I'm running an online program called How to Write a Book Proposal. We're focused on 4 key areas of the proposal: your market, your marketplace, your marketing plan, your platform, and your competitive review. If you are interested in joining me, if you're interested in looking at book writing at all in 2019, I highly suggest you take a look at this workshop. It's $247, and you can enroll in on the link in the description. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Happy storytelling.